Tunica, cloudy and 74. The preceding signal was a test of the NOAA weather radio, all hazards warning system, on station WXK-49, originating from the National Weather Service in Memphis, Tennessee, serving the Memphis listening area. During potentially dangerous weather situations, specially designed receivers can be automatically activated to warn of an impending hazard. Tests of the signal are normally conducted by the National Weather Service, each Wednesday between 11 a.m. and noon. If there is a threat of severe weather, the test is postponed to the next day, weather permitting. If the severe weather threat persists into the following day, the test will be canceled for the week and return the following Wednesday, mainly between 11 a.m. and noon. Reception of this broadcast, and especially the warning alarm, will vary at any given location. This variability, normally more noticeable at greater distances from the transmitter, can occur even though you are using a good quality receiver, in perfect working order. To provide the most consistent and reliable warning service possible, the warning alarm will be sounded on WXK-49 Memphis, only for warnings in selected watches affecting the following counties, in Arkansas, Crittenden, Cross, Lee, Mississippi, and St. Francis. In Mississippi, Benton, DeSoto, Marshall, Tate, and Tunica. And in Tennessee, Fayette, Hardeman, Haywood, Lauderdale, Shelby, and Tipton. To learn additional features about NOAA Weather Radio, including specific area message encoding, visit the NOAA Weather Radio website at weather.gov/NWR. At 11. For Nashville, Greenbrier, Glayville, Thompson Station, White Bluff, and surrounding areas. Today, showers with a chance of thunderstorms. Highs around 80. West winds around 5 miles per hour. Chance of rain near 100%. Tonight, cloudy. Showers with a chance of thunderstorms in the evening, then a chance of showers after midnight. Lows in the lower 60s. North winds around 5 miles per hour. Chance of rain 80%. Thursday, mostly cloudy with a chance of showers. A slight chance of thunderstorms in the afternoon. Highs in the upper 70s. North winds 5 to 10 miles per hour. Chance of rain 50%. Thursday night, a slight chance of thunderstorms. Showers. Lows in the mid-60s. Northeast winds 5 to 10 miles per hour, becoming east after midnight. Chance of rain 80%. Friday, showers with a slight chance of thunderstorms in the morning, then showers with a chance of thunderstorms in the afternoon. Highs around 80. South winds 10 to 15 miles per hour with gusts up to 25 miles per hour. Chance of rain near 100%. Friday night, showers. A chance of thunderstorms, mainly in the evening. Lows in the mid-60s. Chance of rain near 100%. Saturday, a chance of thunderstorms. Showers. Highs in the lower 80s. Chance of rain 80%. Saturday night, a slight chance of thunderstorms in the evening. Mostly cloudy with a chance of showers. Lows in the mid-60s. Chance of rain 50%. Sunday, a chance of thunderstorms. Showers. Highs in the lower 80s. Chance of rain 90%. Sunday night, showers likely with a slight chance of thunderstorms in the evening, then showers after midnight. Lows in the mid-60s. Chance of rain 90%. Memorial Day, showers likely with a slight chance of thunderstorms in the morning, then showers with a chance of thunderstorms in the afternoon. Highs in the lower 80s. Chance of rain 80%. Monday night, mostly cloudy with a chance of showers. A chance of thunderstorms, mainly in the evening. Lows in the mid-60s. Chance of rain 50%. Tuesday, partly sunny. A chance of showers with a slight chance of thunderstorms in the morning, then showers likely with a chance of thunderstorms in the afternoon. Highs in the mid-80s. Chance of rain 70%. In Nashville at 11 a.m., partly sunny, the temperature was 80 degrees, dew point was 66, and the relative humidity was 62%. Winds were north at 7 miles an hour. The pressure was 30.12 inches and rising. Around Middle Tennessee. Clarksville, cloudy, 74. Crossville, partly sunny, 80. Columbia, Mount Pleasant, partly sunny, 81. Dixon, 70. Fayetteville, sunny, 81. Gallatin, cloudy, 79. Lawrenceburg, partly sunny, 81. Lebanon, partly sunny, 81. Lewisburg, partly sunny, 82. Livingston, mostly sunny, 81. McMinnville, mostly sunny, 84. Murfreesboro, mostly sunny, 84. Pulaski, most... During potentially dangerous weather situations and civil emergencies, specially equipped receivers are automatically activated to warn of impending danger. A test of these receivers is conducted every Wednesday between 11 a.m. and noon. In the event of the test being canceled, it will then be rescheduled for the next day between 11 a.m. and noon. This is NOAA weather radio station KIT 79, operating 24 hours a day on the frequency of 162.55 megahertz, with transmitting facilities in Davidson County. This broadcast originates from the National Weather Service Office located in Nashville. This service is provided in part by the EAS and the Tennessee Emergency Management Agency. This has been a test of the NOAA weather radio warning alarm device. During potentially dangerous weather situations, specially equipped receivers are automatically activated to warn of impending danger. The alarm will be activated for severe weather watches and warnings, or civil emergencies, affecting the Middle Tennessee counties of Cheatham, Davidson, Dixon, Macon, Maury, Montgomery, Robertson, Rutherford, Smith, Sumner, Trousdale, Williamson, and Wilson. This concludes the test of the NOAA weather radio warning alarm device and emergency alert system. We now return you to regular programming. In Nashville at 11 a.m.